Hello everyone, my name is Jayant and this is task 5.2c. So in this task we have made a simple interface where we are going to turn on and off three LEDs with the Raspberry Pi. So this is an extension of task 5.1p, and next we are going to see the setup part. So as in the setup, we can see that this is the whole setup which we have created for our task, and it has some requirements. So we require some jumper wires, we require one Raspberry Pi as obviously, and then we have a breadboard, we have some resistors and some LEDs. So the requirements are three LEDs and three resistors for this task, and the connections are as following. We have connected the jumper wires to the number one jumper wire is connected with the ground, which is at RPIO pin 39. Then we have LED, which is connected with RPIO pin 40 or GPIO pin 21. Then we have another LED which is going to connect with RPIO 37 or GPIO pin 26. And then we have the third LED, which is the last one, and we have it at RPIO 35 and GPIO 19. So these are the following connections, and this is the whole setup. Next, we are going to see the code part. So in the code part, we have defined some libraries, and first of all, we are importing some libraries such as tkinter and tkinter fonts, and then we have also imported the RPIO, GPIO libraries which work with GPIO pins. And next comes out with the LED parts. Here we have defined the pins where we have connected the LEDs, such as 26, 19, and 20 are the pins we have connected our LEDs to in the setup part. Next comes out to be the main one, TK, and here we have made a GUI, which is a graphical interface, where we have defined some fonts, the font we want when we are making that GUI, and then we have size and the weight. Next comes out to be the functions we have made. Here we have made three functions, which all depend on the three LEDs we are using. In the first function, we have used if and else loop. Here, if the LED red is off, then when we click the button, then it is going to change the text to turn a red LED on, and if it is on, then it is going to show turn red LED off. Same is the case with the LED toggle 2 and LED toggle 3. Here, if the LED brown is off, then it is going to show turn brown LED on, and then same is with LED gray. Next comes out to be the close part. When we close the GUI, then it is going to perform these two functions, which are the cleanup and destroy. And these are the widgets. Here we have defined the dimensions we want, such as the variables, font, which font we want, which command we want to have, and then we have the backgrounds. As in the red LED we have shown the red, and in brown we have shown the brown, and it also asks for height and width, which we have defined here. So this was all about the code part, and next we are going to see the working part of our project.